Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing something a little bit different, but I just felt like I've seen it on these YouTube shoots and I just felt like maybe I should try it out for myself, and so I made a list. So this will be the 25 things I've learned at 25 because your girl turned 25. How crazy is that? Actually, it's crazy. On the 14th of July 1994 I was born. And so I'm gonna go through a list of the things that I've learned in my 25 years. So I'm going to be looking on my phone because I put it in my notes, and I will start now. So the first thing I learned was you don't need a lot of friends, but the friends that you have been there for you through the tough times and the great times. So you should keep them. Number 2, sometimes you need to set boundaries in every aspect of your life. Yes you do. Number 3, consistency is what you lack sometimes, but that's okay. That's okay. Number 4, complimenting yourself is not seen as being conceited. Number 5, don't settle in any way. Number 6, self-care is important. So important. Netflix is great, but reading a book is even better. Yep. Number 8, sometimes it's hard, but sometimes you are wrong. Sometimes. Emphasis on sometimes. Number 9, being very emotional is better than keeping it all in. Number 10, you cannot control everything. Cannot control everything. Number 11, listening to music in a dark room is the best way to listen to music. Number 12, stop comparing yourself to others. Just stop. Number 13, making food and making playlists are the ultimate love language. Number 14, always laugh it off. The cure is laughter. Always. You don't have to be perfect in order to inspire anyone. Number 16, the little things you do will have a big impact on your life. Number 17, sometimes you really just need to do a face mask and have a glass of wine and remember that and remind yourself that everything is going to be okay. Number 18, trust the process. Number 19, need a pick-me-up? There's nothing a little lash and glass can't fix. Number 20, life is too short not to have that slice of cake. Number 21, if things are meant to be, they will be. Number 22, yes, you enjoy your alone time, but spend some time with your family as well. Embrace everything new that happens to you. I don't know why I keep smiling. I just feel like it's just a thing. Number 24, things happen for a reason. And then number 25, live in the moment. So that was the 25 things I learned at the age of 25. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below and send me all your loves and follow me on social media. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching.